So I am Sudhir. This is to show the demo for the AI-based self inspection. This video we are going to use to upload. So this is of 21-second video. Now we are going to use it here. We have now uploaded. Our application will basically fetch all the part from the video. It will take another 10 seconds probably. So it has generated front view, rear view, left, right, left front corner from the images, all the parts, rear wheel, front door. So everything basically, and the damage also it is showing. So this is our API for we are going to use in our self inspection. Thank you.